Wasn't going to do a video on this, but just so we're all on the same fucking page, BMWs are shit. And their batteries are even fucking worse. Let me just show you what I'm dealing with here. Battery goes in hole. Wires go to terminals, positive and negative. And bar 1, 2 and bar 3 make fucking triangle over top of battery. Big thing that I thought was a sub that is some sort of a pump goes on top and then gets bolted all back together. And then the spare tyre goes on top of that, and then the bloody carpet and shit goes back down. And then if it wasn't any worse, you need to go and take the computer and plug into the car and register the battery just to tell it that it's got a new battery, because BMWs are shit. That's my Wednesday night, so sit back, relax, and watch me struggle putting this fucking piece of shit back in. We need music. Right, just so you can see, there's the triangle I'm talking about. Battery underneath triangle. Now we're going to put that doobie whacker on. I don't know why you need that much shit on top of a battery. I don't even know why you wouldn't just put it in the fucking engine bay like a normal person. But, I mean, I guess BMW owners and builders are not normal. No offense, people that own BMWs. Please still subscribe. That'll be really cool if you could do that. I'd love if you subscribe to my channel, even though I don't like what you drive. But that's okay, we can still be friends. Right. Oh, I forgot something. There's a plate that goes under this thing. Nope. I forgot to put this bucket underneath it. That could be important. And of course, I do not have the right orientation. So you probably couldn't fucking understand me with the torch in my mouth, but I did not have the right orientation. My guess is goes that way. I'm that good, I should have remembered that the first time. Make sure you drop in the comments where you're from, where you're watching from. Curious to see where these videos are going. Right, so obviously that thing's in now. That big U-shaped thing is the tyre carrier, so we're about to put the tyre in now. Oh shit, I should probably move some fucking tools first, shouldn't I? Dum. You motherfucker. Right. Next one we're going to do is service this thing. See you in the next episode.